Hey guys, so I'm going to be doing a get ready with me today. I'm just going to be doing my makeup and I wanted to show you how my hair turned out after dyeing it. It's really pretty, I love it. So I'm going to be doing kind of like a natural looking makeup with a little bit of sparkle today. I've worn this look a couple times within the week and I was just like, oh, that's really cute. So I'm going to recreate it today for you. Okay, so I'm going to prime my face first with a face perfecting stick from Primark. I'm just going to put this on my nose and forehead and my chin. This is the primer stick really. And I'm just going to rub that in a little bit. Now I'm going to take the Revolution foundation stick in F3. I find is a good match for my skin. So I'm just going to put this under my eyes, my forehead, on my nose, my chin, wherever we need to cover. I really like this foundation stick. It's quite full coverage as well for what you get. And yeah, I just put it everywhere. Now I'm just gonna take my foundation brush and blend it all out. I'm just going to go in circular motions around my face and blend all of the foundation. I also wanted to make a get ready with me because I wanted to just kind of sit down with you guys and talk a little bit, because it's been a while since you've been updated from stuff. I've had such a spotty forehead lately. I ended up waking up the other day and I had like these huge lumps on my forehead and they've only just kind of gone down, so I'm glad about that. I just want to do kind of like a natural look today, so it's not too full coverage, but so you can still kind of see skin. Now I'm going to take the MUA. Actually no, I ran out of that powder and I'm just using the pot now. So this is the Revolution Bacon Finish setting powder. I just ended up putting this powder into the pot because it's easier that way. So I ended up putting the powder into the lid and then I just set my face with the little powder puff. I'm just gonna set my face with the baking powder. Baking powder. Just get my like smile lines and the creases of my nose, under my eyes, and my forehead, just pretty much like everywhere. Now I'm going to take this big fluffy brush from Real Techniques, they got it at Superdrug, and I'm just going to blush all the loose powder off my face. Kind of blend it out a little bit. Cool. So this Bronze and Glow palette from I Heart Makeup is my favourite contour shade now, and then I use this to highlight my cheeks and my cupid's bow. So I'm just going to put the highlight on my cupid's bow. That. So I'm going to use the contour shade. I'm just going to put it a little bit on just to put some depth onto my face. And I like to bring it up the temples and on my forehead. Right, now we've done some contour, I'm going to use the highlight on this Bronze and Glow and just put that on my cheeks. Shiny. Using the chocolate palette from I Heart Makeup. It's beautiful, it smells like chocolate as well. I'm going to use this pastel pink shade and just put it in the crease of my eyes. Now that pastel colour is on the crease, I'm going to just take a highlighter and just go over my eyelids with the highlighter and just kind of blend that out. So now I'm going to use the Rose Gold chocolate palette. This one has more like red shades and golds. It's really pretty. Also, I forgot to blend the contour, so I just take the fluffy brush and blend the edges of my cheek, kind of like around the contour, just so there's no harsh bits. So I'm going to take the highlight shade from the Rose Gold chocolate palette. I'm just going to put this completely over my lids. Taking the fluffy brush that we used for that pastel pink, I'm going to just blend the crease So I want even more sparkle, so I'm going to take the highlighter and I'm going to put it on the inner corner of my eye. Taking a pencil eyeliner, I'm just going to line my eyes on the top and the bottom. With a little blend brush, smoke out that eyeliner on the bottom of my eyelids. Only on the bottom lid though, because I like just how it looks smoked out, so it's kind of smoky eye. I'm going to take a little bit of white and I'm just going to do this underneath my brows. Now all we have to do is the glittery eyeliner and then the mascara and lipstick and we're done. So for eyeliner, I've been loving the Vivid Brights eyeliner by NYX, and this is in Vivid Blossom. It's just purple liquid eyeliner, and I'm gonna do some little wings on the side of my eyes. I haven't finished on the eyeliner yet. I'm going to use the Glam Crystals from Collection, and this is in the colour Glitz, and it's one of my favourite glitter eyeliners, and I'm just going to put this underneath the purple flick. So we have like 2 flicks. This makes the whole look seem a lot Christmassy and sparkly. Now for lipstick. Just gonna wait for this to dry. I'm thinking whether to put a lipstick on or to put this lip balm on, which is like a pearly pink coloured lip balm. This one just goes really nice. So for lips, I'm just going to use this pearly pink coloured lip balm. Good for winter if you get chapped lips as well and still want a bit of colour. It's just nice and subtle. I've been loving the pearly coloured lipsticks, so this is nice. And finally mascara. Curl those eyelashes first. I can never find anything. Alright, okay. I have one mascara that's empty, but I like to use the brush. And then I have one mascara that's good, but I don't like using the brush, so I swap the brushes over. But yeah, I'm just weird. So I'm going to be using the MUA Eye Define mascara. It's quite a thin mascara, but it separates the lashes and makes them look longer. If you have any mascara on the bottom of your eyelids, if you're doing your bottom lashes, I find you can just use one of these and it gets it off. So that's the makeup I've been wearing pretty much like every day this week. I hope you enjoy it. There is another thing you can do if you're interested, and that would be to fill in the eyebrows, but at the moment I haven't really been filling my eyebrows in. I don't feel like it's necessary. I did tint my eyebrows a few days ago, so I'm not going to be filling my eyebrows in. I quite like how my eyebrows are quite natural looking, and it's nice not filling them in every day. If I was doing my makeup, I would either fill in my eyebrows and do some eyeliner, mascara with lipstick, and that's like how to look like you've made an effort. If you want to have something that's quite natural but still like festive with the glitter, I really like it. It's just so simple and basic, but it's just quick and easy as well, and I just really like how it looks, and it just feels really nice. And oh my god, I love this hair color. Oh, look how cute this is, guys. I have the hair dye right here, the one that I use. So this was the hair dye. I used Arctic Fox Periwinkle, and I bleached my roots and then just applied the periwinkle on the roots first, all over my head, and then once I covered all the roots, I then pulled the hair dye down the dreadlocks and through the rest of my hair. But I do have a video of me dyeing my hair this colour, so that will be up on my channel. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this makeup. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you lovies very soon. Bye guys.